Welcome back to the Learning Studio, where we break down big ideas into smart learning. You're watching the Law series, and today's episode is all about one of the most powerful engines of the modern economy, corporate law, also known as company law. Don't forget, you can follow the entire Law series by checking out the playlist link in the video description below. Have you ever heard of Apple, Tesla, or Amazon being sued? Have you wondered why companies have rights like people, or how CEOs can make billion-dollar decisions legally? Welcome to corporate law, the legal framework that governs companies, their formation, their behavior, and their accountability. If civil law governs people, corporate law governs business entities. What is corporate law? Corporate law is the area of law that deals with the creation, management, governance, and regulation of companies. It outlines how a business becomes a legal person, separate from its owners, with its own rights, responsibilities, and liabilities. This means a company can own property, enter into contracts, sue or be sued, pay taxes, be held liable, independent of its shareholders. At its core, corporate law ensures that businesses operate transparently, ethically, and efficiently within the legal system. Key concepts in corporate law. Some of the major concepts include incorporation, turning a business into a legal entity; limited liability, protecting personal assets of shareholders; shareholders and directors, the owners and decision makers; corporate governance, rules for how companies are run; mergers and acquisitions, M&A, how companies combine or buy others; corporate responsibility, legal duties to employees, consumers, environment, and society. These principles guide everything from small startups to global corporations. Corporate law traces its roots to medieval trading companies and royal charters, but the real revolution came in the 19th century, when laws began allowing companies to form without a royal license. The concept of limited liability, where investors could invest in companies without risking their personal wealth, transformed capitalism. This legal innovation led to the explosive growth of global trade, industrialization, and modern markets. Famous case study: Salomon & Co. Lit. UK, 1897. In this foundational case, Mr. Salomon incorporated his boot business and became the main shareholder. When the company went bankrupt, creditors wanted to sue him personally. The court ruled that the company was a separate legal entity, independent from Mr. Salomon. This case established the principle of corporate personality and shaped corporate law as we know it. Why corporate law matters today. Corporate law matters in protecting investors and stakeholders, regulating boardroom decisions, preventing fraud and insider trading, balancing profit with ethics and sustainability, managing cross-border deals and international trade, promoting innovation while ensuring accountability. In a world dominated by corporate power, corporate law is the rulebook that keeps the game fair. What's next? If you're heading into law, business, finance, entrepreneurship, or governance, corporate law is not just useful, it's essential. In future videos, we'll explore company formation, director duties, shareholder rights, corporate fraud, and more. You're watching the Learning Studio, and this is the Law series, building your legal knowledge one smart topic at a time.